It all begins with the humble cocoa bean. Roasted to unlock deep, rich flavors. Only the purest nibs move forward.
Ground into pure chocolate liquor.
Conched for hours to achieve perfect smoothness.
Tempered with precision for that signature gloss.
Molded into the classic bar shape.
Rapidly cooled to lock in structure.
Perfectly formed. Wrapped and ready for the world.
Carefully packed for freshness.
Every bar meets our standard. Ready for the journey ahead. Stored at perfect temperature. On its way to you. Found on shelves worldwide. Listen for that perfect snap.
Melts into pure comfort. Just 3 ingredients, nothing more.
From bean to bar.
Crafted with care by people who love chocolate.
The art of chocolate.
"70% dark, pure."